metric system was born during the throes of the French Revolution. While in the process of finding a new political structure for their country, the National Assembly also requested that a new standard for weights and measures be found. This job was delegated to a committee headed by the famous chemist Antoine Lavoisier. After many days of contemplation, Lavoisier defined the new unit of length, the meter, as 1/10,000,000th the distance from the North Pole to the equator. Unfortunately, he did not know what this distance was. At once, he commissioned 2 surveyors to measure the fraction of the distance that lay between Dunkirk and Barcelona. 7 years later, the meter was unveiled to the world.